Ongoing conflict between India and Pakistan, a summary of military and economic damages, humanitarian impact. The ongoing conflict has resulted in at least 48 deaths so far. Among them are 13 civilian casualties in Pakistan-administered Kashmir and 15 in Indian-administered Kashmir. Additionally, both sides have reported numerous injuries and displacements. Aircraft destruction. Pakistan has claimed to have shot down 5 Indian fighter jets, including French-made Rafale and Russian-made aircraft. India, however, has denied these claims and has not acknowledged any loss of aircraft. Trade and transportation. Due to the conflict, trade activities in the border regions have been suspended, negatively affecting both economies. Furthermore, Pakistan's closure of its airspace has disrupted international air traffic, resulting in an estimated revenue loss of about $100 million for the country. Market impact. India's stock market has seen a significant drop, sparking concerns among investors. In Pakistan, market volatility has also been observed, although relative calm in the violence has led to slight improvements. Tourism and entertainment. Security concerns have led to the suspension of Indian Premier League (IPL) matches in India and Pakistan Super League (PSL) matches in Pakistan. This has adversely affected the tourism and entertainment sectors in both countries. International response. The United States, China, and other global powers have urged both nations to exercise restraint and emphasized the importance of resolving the crisis through diplomatic means. The information above clearly indicates that the ongoing conflict between India and Pakistan is having a deep impact on both countries, militarily and economically.